Kuafu and the sun. Across the land, the sun dries up the fields, causing nothing to grow. So, one day, a giant named Kuafu decides to chase and catch the sun. He boasts to all who will listen that he can run faster than the sun. One morning, Kuafu follows the sun from the east to the west. He is so thirsty on his quest that he drinks the entire rivers and the lakes. Yet, as he gets closer to the sun, with every giant step, he can't catch up to it. He grows so tired and so thirsty that he gives up. Throwing away his walking stick, he finally lays his weary body down to sleep and never wakes up again. Quafu's stick grows into a magical forest of peach trees, while his body turns into a beautiful mountain. Today, the people call the mountain Kuafu Mountain, after the fallen giant who dared to think that he was greater than the sun.